got a lot of work to do, so. ¿Qué se cuenta, señores? Caballero, ¿qué se cuenta? Omar, Waldo, good to see you, man. Hey, this is my friend Tony Montana I've been telling you about. Tony, that's Omar Suarez, and that's Waldo Rojas over there.
I got something for you.
Yeah? What do we gotta do?
Got to unload a boat. Marijuana, 25 tons. You get 500 each.
500. Eh? That's great, eh?
You gotta be kidding. 500? Who do you think we are, baggage handlers? The going rate on a boat is 1,000 a night, man. You know that.
First, you gotta work your way up to 500, querido.
Okay, what I did for you guys in Freedom Town, what was that? That rib banger hit was a game of dominoes or
Man,
what?
that was something
Shut
else,
up,
man.
shut up, Mike. Take it easy.
What's with this dishwasher, Chico? Don't you think we could have got some other space cadet to hit Rebecca cheaper, to $50?
Then why didn't you, man? Don't be calling me no fucking dishwasher. I'll kick your fucking monkey ass all over
do
the
that,
fucking
man. You're not gonna do that to nobody. Come on, man. You can't do that, man.
Ven tú le convenience.
No vuelvas loco, okay?
Okay. Hey, all right, big man. You want to make some big bucks. Let's see how tough you are. You know something about cocaine? Dígame.
What, you kidding me or what?
There's a bunch of Colombians coming in Friday. New guys. They say they got 2 keys for us for opening. Pure Cop, Hotel in Miami Beach. I want you to go over there. And if it's what they say it is, you pay them and bring it back. You do that, you got $5 grand.
Go, pay it, bring it back, yeah?
You know how to handle a machine gun.
Yeah, man. We were in the army in Cuba.
You're gonna need a couple other guys.
That's no problem.
You'll be at Hector's Bodega at noon Friday. You get the buy money then. And Chico, if anything happens to that buy money, pobrecito, my boss is gonna stick your heads up your asses faster than a rabbit gets fucked.
I'm scared. Man, you're pushing your luck, okay?
Don't worry.
That was dumb, man.
Hey, ho. You worry too much, you know? You're gonna have a heart attack. You act like that guy's doing you a favor or something.
What's this with the Colombians, man? Eh?
What does it matter?
What doesn't... He says Colombians and you make these eyes like, what?
I don't like fucking Colombians, okay?
Hey, what you guys doing? That's a lot of dishes to be washed.
Wash them yourself, man.
Coño.
I retired.
What the fuck you gonna do then now?
I gotta look after my investment.
Fuck you guys, man.
Close the shop, man.